Hello everyone, welcome back again. Today we will learn on the two topic, that is assorted multiples and multiple multiples. Here in this topic we're going to continue with the multiples which we have learned in the previous video, and then we will go on with this fact family, and lastly we will solve some of the word problems related to multiplications and divisions. So first let's go to this first questions. This first question is from your exercise. That is question number 1. That is, it says to find, that is to write the first 5 multiples of 2, then 3, then 5, and then 10. So here we're going to find out the first 5 multiples. So we write as first 5 multiples of 2. So what are the first 5 multiples of 2? We know the tables of 2, right? So we will simply write the tables of 2, that is 2, 1 is 2, 2, 2 is 4, 2, 3 is 6, 2, 4 is 8, 2, 5 is 10. So the first multiple of 2 is 2, second multiple 2, 4, third multiple 6, fourth multiple is 8, and the fifth multiple is 10. So these are your first 5 multiples of 2. So same way we will find out for the first 5 multiples of 3. So to write the first 5 multiples of 3, just write the table of 3. That is 3, 1, 3, 3, 2, 6, 3, 3, 9, 3, 4, 12, and 3, 5, 15. That's how it goes on for multiples of 5 and 10. So I want you all to try out for this multiples of 5 and 10 at home. So let's go back. Now let's go to this fact family now. Now let's start with the next question. That is for the fact family. We're done with the multiples. Now let's go with the fact family. Now here, we are already aware of the fact family. We have learned about the fact family for additions and subtraction. Now here we will do for the fact family for multiplications and division. Know that the fact family is made up of 3 numbers, so we need 3 numbers. But here, there is no 3 numbers. What we have to do is, we have this figure here that is of a rectangle shape. Now from here, using this figure, we're going to find 3 numbers. So how do we do? So let's start with this side. This side we have how many square boxes? That is in the column. We have 4 boxes each, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 each. So we take this part as 4, this part. And then here on this top part, when we count from here in rows, we get 5, 5, 5 each box in the rows. So we have 5 boxes in the rows. So this will be your another part. So your first number we got as 4. When we count the boxes in a column, we get 4, 4 each. So we write as 4. And for here, when we count from the top, that is rows wise, we get 5, 5 boxes. So we have taken as 5. Now for the third number will be for the total, all together. That is whole, all together. So how many boxes? So if we count 4, 4, 4, 4, 5 times, we get 20. So altogether, there are 20 boxes. So we got 3 numbers. Now using these 3 numbers, we will find the fact family for multiplications and divisions. Now let's go for this multiplication first. Now for this multiplication, you have to multiply this 2 part first, that is part into part, to get your whole. So your first part we got as 4. So I'm going to write 4 here. And the second part we got 5. So write 5 equal to your whole. That is altogether is 20. So 20. That is 4, 5, 20. Or we can also write another way. That is, I'm going to change the order of this number. 4 into 5, I'm going to write this time as 5 into 4 equal to 20. So even if you change the order of the number, your product will remain the same. That is, your answers remains the same. Now let's find for the divisions now. For the divisions, we will write the total first, that is the whole first. And then for division, we will use the sign of divide, division sign. And then we will write part here, and then will be your part. So first, let's go for the whole. We know that the total is 20. So we write 20, then put the divide sign. So one part we got as 4, so we're going to write here 4. Equal to, the other part is 5, so 5 here. So that is 4, 5 is 20. So 20 parts, 20 altogether total, divided by 4. If you divide it equally into 4 parts, we get 5. So So now here we can write another way. That is, this time I'm going to take this 5 here and write 4 this side. That means I've changed the order of the number. I brought this 5 here and then 4 this side this time. So even if I change the order, the position of the number, answers remains the same. That is 5, 4, 20. So that's how we find for the multiplications and for the divisions 5. Now the second line of your question, it says make up a number story. So we are going to make up a number story for one of the 5. So here I'm going to use this 5 to make up a number story here. Now what I'm going to do is, the first number is 4. So I'm going to take this 4 as for the flowers. So I write 4 flowers. And then this 5, for this 5 I'm going to use for petals. So 4 flowers have 5 petals each. So 4 flowers have 5 petals each. So we got our answers here as 20. So all together, so total, so all together, they are, we write as 20 petals. So we have taken 4 as 4 flowers. That is 4 flowers have 5 petals each. So for 20 we have written, that is your total. So all together they are 20 petals. That's how we write for the number story for this multiplication 5. Now let's go for this division. Now for this division, this is your total first. So your total I'm going to take is for the toys. This time I'm going to use the word for toys, and this one for the girls. So I'll write 4 girls. I'm going to start from this 4. 4 girls share. There are 20 toys altogether, so 20 toys equally. So divide means splitting into equal parts. So 4 girls, that is this 4 girls share 20, this total 20 toys equally. So this 5 we will write, so each girl get, this 5 will come here, 5 toys. So that's how we write for the number story for this division 5. That is, I've taken this 4 as for 4 girls, that is 4 girls share 20 toys equally. Since it's divide means we'll split into equal parts. So equally, 20 toys equally have been shared between these 4 girls. So each girl get 5 toys. So that's how we write for the number stories for multiplications and divisions. Now we will go on with the next questions again. Now we will go with the next questions, that is question number 7. Now here it says, each bag holds 10 sweets. That means in each bag, in one bag, there are 10 sweets. 10 sweets. And then it says to find for how many sweets in 7 bags. That means we have 7 bags. That means we're going to find out for the 7 bag. So I'm going to draw 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. One more. Suppose these are your 7 bags, and we know that in each bag there are 10 sweets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to write 10 each. That is 10 sweets in each bag. We're going to find out, remember, we're going to find out for 7 bags. So in 7 bags, how many sweets will be there? So we know that 10 in each bag. So 10, how many bags we have? 10, how many times we have? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 7 bags. So what will be the answers? So 10 times of 7. So either you can find by multiplying with 7, or you can do repeated additions method. That is 10, you keep on adding 7 times, you get your answers. That is 10, 7 is 70. And then if you add 10 7 times, you get the same answers, that is 70. So our answer is how many sweets in 7 bags? So we have 70 sweets in 7 bags. Now let's go to the next question, that is from your exercise page number 21, the first questions. So let's start with this question number 1 from page number 21. It says there are 2 chocolate bars. There are 2 chocolate bars in each bag. In one bag, there are two chocolates bar. Now here it says how many chocolate bars. We're going to find out how many chocolates bars. 4 bags. That means in each bag, remember in each bag we have 2 chocolate bars. So we are going to find out for 4 bags. That is 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 bags, and each bag there are two chocolate bars. So we are going to find out for these 4 bags. So how do we do? There are 2 chocolate bar each in 4 bags. So 2 times of 4. So we get our answers as 8. That is, we have how many chocolate bars in 4 bags? So we have 8 chocolate bars. We have 8 chocolate bars in 4 bags. Now, let's find out for the 6th bag. Now here this time is for the 6th bag. So, we're going to make it 6 boxes here. 6 bag. That will represent 6, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, and then we know that according to these questions, we have 2 chocolates in each bag. So 2 chocolate in each bag, and we have how many bag? 6 bag, so 6. So multiply by 6, you get 2, 6. We know that is 12. So our answer is 12 chocolate bars in 6 bag. Now this question number B, it says, how many bags do I need? Here we're going to find out for the number of bags. Do I need to give to 12 children a chocolate bar each? That means each children, that is 12 children, they're going to get one chocolate bar each. And then we know that here the question is asking for how many bags do I need to give to these 12 children so that each of these children get 1 chocolate bar. We know that in 1 bag, according to this question, we know that in each bag there are 2 chocolates bar. 1 bag, 2 chocolates. So we are going to give for 12 children. So what we're going to do is we'll write the total, that is total children 12, and then since we're going to give each children one chocolate bar each, and then we know that in each bag we have 2 chocolates bar. So we're going to divide it into 2. Since we're going to give this chocolate bar equally to these 3 children, right? So we are finding out for the number of bags. So we know that in each bag we have 2 chocolates bar. So we divide it by 2. So 2 divided by 12 divided by 2. What is the answer? Just read the table of 2. We know that in 2 tables, 2 times of 6 is 12. That is 2, 6 is 12. So that means your answer is 6 bag. That means I need to give 6 bag to these 12 children so that each children get 1 chocolates bar. Now we will do the next questions again. Now let's do the next questions. That is question number 3 from page number 21. Now here this question says some birds are standing on the top of a fence. Now here the question says, if there are 8 birds, sorry, it should be birds, B-I-R-D-S, birds. If there are 8 birds, we have 8 birds, so we write 8. How many legs are there? We know that each bird has 2 legs, so we're going to multiply it by 2 to find out for the number of legs for 8 birds. So we multiply it by 2, that is 8 into 2 is 16. Or if you find difficult for 8, you can go with the table of 2. That is, we know that 2 8 is 16, so we write 16. So that means how many legs 8 birds would have? That is 16 legs. Now Now let's go for the second one. B. What if there were 18 legs? Now the total is given as 18 legs. So the number of legs is given. We have to find out how many birds are there. Now we know that each bird has 2 legs. So what we will write here, divided by 2. We're going to divide it by 2. So total 18 legs, and then each bird has 2 legs. So we divide it by 2. So read the table of 2. We know that in table of 2, 9 is 80. So we write here 9. So that is 9 is 80. So how many birds has 18 legs? That is 9 birds. Right? So that's how we find for the number of legs first, and then for the number of birds. If there are 18 legs, it says 18 legs. So remember, each bird has 2 legs, so we divided by 2, and then we got our answers as 9. Now let's go on to the next questions again. Now we will move on to this next question. That will be the last question. That is from your exercise, question number 10. Now here, this question, it says there are 9 children. So we have 9 children. That is 9. They are running the race, right? It says, the first question, it says, how many legs? We know that each child has 2 legs. So we multiply it by 2. So we know that 2 9 is 80. And then 9 2 is also 80. So we have how many legs? That is 9 children have how many legs? 80 legs. Now let's go to this B question. It says how many legs? Now that is, before that, there is one information given here is, it says 3 children have to go home. That means total there were 9 children. So 3 children have to go home. That means they left. So that means out of 9, 3 children went home. So you subtract. If you take away 3 from 9, you get 6. That means now we have just 6 children now. Now we have to find out how many legs now. So how many legs will be there for the 6 children? So we multiply. We take the 6, and then we know each child has 2 legs. So we multiply by 2. So 6 into 2 is 12. Or either you can go for this 2, that is 2, 6 is 12. So how many legs for this 6 children? That means the answer is 12 legs. So that's all for today. See you again in the next video.